Hello everyone, my name is Sim. This is
Candace.
and we're here to give you guys a little pro tip on how to make your meal prep experience that much better, okay? And we all know with every good meal plan, there are some kind of veggies in it, all right? And why are veggies important?
First of all, veggies are low-calorie foods.
And it won't add that much to your overall caloric intake for the day, okay? Plus, it adds bulk to your meals, which means you have more stuff to eat, and more stuff to eat means you feel more full. Does that make sense? Okay, cool. And we all know vegetables have the vitamins, the minerals, and the fiber, okay? But most importantly, vegetables add flavor to your food. Before we get started, some of the cons for vegetables, they don't last that long, okay? So after you prep it, they might last about a week. So if you are gonna buy in bulk, make sure you meal prep consistently so that you are using up what you're buying, okay? So whenever we meal prep, here are some of our go-to vegetables. We always go with the mushrooms, the bell peppers, and onions. These are like our staple in our meal plan. So let's get down to it. Let's get down to it. So let's get down to it. We're gonna show you how we prep our veggies, okay? Most of you have a cutting board and knife. Keep it simple, but we are gonna use this handy dandy little tool right here. I'm gonna show you how it's done. All right, so which one do you wanna start with?
Bell peppers.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. With bell peppers, remember to get all the seeds out, okay? So the way I like to do it is this. Cut the sides. Break that off. Get the seeds out. Get the seeds out. And to use this little contraption, we've got to cut into smaller pieces. Is that small enough?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
This. Put it in. 2 at a time is fine.
Get in there. Get it. Get it.
Bell pepper's done. Mushroom.
Do I need to slice it or?
Yeah.
Okay. So for mushrooms, we're just gonna slice it and put it in.
Put it in. Be done. You can't. Okay, no, it's faster. Ta-da!
And just like that, mushrooms are done.
That was too much.
And just like that, veggies are prepped. We can just grab it and go cook it with whatever we're cooking with and store in the fridge. It should last about a week. Hopefully longer, okay? But if not, we can always buy more to replenish it. Buy them when they're on sale. Most of the local stores we have out here, every Thursdays, these vegetables go on sale. So
Wednesday.
damn it! For most of the local stores around us, vegetables go on sale on Wednesdays. Mushrooms, we normally buy in bulk at Costco. Bell peppers, onion, we find the sales. So stay on top of your meal prep so you're not wasting the vegetables. And most importantly, stay consistent and let's keep making these gains.